So hold on, as we continue here, just want to check out the view. This is the back porch.
Yes.
Look at the view from the backyard. This beautiful listing. The view is amazing.
Yes, the view is really amazing. So the kitchen was updated too.
It was recently remodeled, the kitchen?
I no, 3 or 4 years ago. So let's go to the second floor. The floors are wood.
These are all laminate, right?
Yes, it is.
Okay. And this is 2 bedrooms up here, right?
Yes, 2 bedrooms. This is the master bedroom.
And this is the master?
And you
Okay.
can see the view from the window too.
This master is large enough to have a king-size bed and several nightstands. The view from the window is pretty amazing if you look outside. The shutters are down out there, but you can see the lake.
There is one bathroom to share with the 2 bedrooms.
I assume that this is the closet over here to the left, right? Trying not to get in the picture while giving you guys a full view of this bathroom. Wow, this is a beautiful bathtub shower combo.
Yes, that is a
Love the tile.
less than 1 month run.
Just remodeled.
Yes.
It's great.
And this is the second.
This is the second bedroom, right?
Yes, the second.
And that is a full-size bed in here, right?
Very nice size. This is a.
So, I assume this is going to be going on the market any day now?
Yes.
Okay. Tomorrow, okay. And if somebody wants to show him, how can they contact you? Tell us how we can how everyone can reach you.
You can call to 954-881-7008. So bring us a buyer. Thank you.
And I appreciate the walkthrough also. Elizabeth, thank you very much. I'm just going to take another quick little tour of the house here, walking around, showing the combination bathroom that the upstairs 2 bedrooms share, both the master and the second bedroom, which is out over here, kind of like in perspective like this. The floors are these beautiful, well-maintained laminate, very little sign of wear. Looks really great. Again, the view out the windows is very hard for me to capture with the way the lighting's coming in, but the view is absolutely priceless. And we want to invite all of you.
The house is painted white painted.
Oh, it's all painted white, freshly painted. Let's cruise back downstairs one more time to kind of give you an idea of the downward motion from the upstairs down to the living area, which then comes out to the little foyer by the front door, surrounded by the grand opening into the living room. One quick recap, and